Pemamo SA, a manufacturer of honing machines and tools, set itself up on the shores of Lake Biel in the Jura region, the home of microtechnology and high precision in Switzerland. The forerunner in implementing a production method allowing the manufacture of very high precision cylindrical bores, Pemamo SA has given prestige to the honing technique. Operating in more than 30 countries, Pemamo SA meets all your demands through its network of agents. A qualified team, armed with great expertise and many years of experience, will help you to achieve your objectives. Being able to produce accurately to the nearest micron and do it repeatedly is no longer a problem thanks to Pemamo's honing technology. The tool department is furnished with modern production equipment for manufacturing standard and specialist honing tools from 0.6 to 70 millimeters. An extensive stock of honing tools being constantly restocked allows for short delivery deadlines. Dynamism, precision, flexibility, and competitiveness. Pemamo has all that in spades and so much more.